Today, we will be talking about impact-resistant material, how it's used, and what makes it so important in various industries. Impact-resistant materials are defined as materials that possess the ability to resist both fracture and deformation when a temporary force is applied to it. Impact-resistant materials are very important due to their high strength and durability. Because of this, they are typically used in various industries as a reinforcing material for some commonly used products that would typically encounter high impact stress. Some examples include carbon fiber-based sports equipment, automobile components made from polycarbonate, carbon black reinforced tires, and last but not least, Kevlar body armor. Although impact-resistant materials can come in many forms, such as metal, wood, or glass, this video will mainly focus on the most commonly used material for impact resistance, which are synthetic polymers or plastics.
Before we dive into any specifics, we must first understand what the term polymer means and why it is so useful for this application. A polymer is a material that consists of large chain-like structures created from the covalent bonding of various repeated molecular units known as monomers. The easiest way we can visualize this is by picturing a linked chain where each link of the chain can be called the monomer and the whole chain as the polymer.
Polymers have many desirable characteristics for their use in impact-resistant products that are often difficult to replicate with materials like steel, wood, or glass. The three main benefits of using polymers in this application are that they are light, highly formable, and can be manufactured to have extremely high tensile strength. Due to these characteristics, polymers are used to create many products within the construction, military, and industrial applications industries, as they typically require high impact-resistant and durable materials.
The ability to create such a strong material that is also simultaneously very light is extremely beneficial for users wearing body armor and driving heavy vehicles, as this material drastically increases mobility and decreases the amount of fuel consumption required. Additionally, the moldability of polymers makes them highly versatile, allowing them to be used for various products of all shapes and sizes, whereas other impact-resistant materials such as metals require much more complex manufacturing processes.
Although there are many impact-resistant polymers on the market, we will use Kevlar as an example to generalize some of the important properties of these tough materials. Kevlar is produced through a chemical reaction called polymerization, whereby repeated monomers known as 1,4-diaminobenzene and terephthalonyl chloride form covalent bonds together to create Kevlar's strong, linear chain-like structure. The main reason why Kevlar is so strong is because the linear chains are able to overlap each other, allowing for strong intermolecular hydrogen bonds to occur between each of the chains. Additionally, the manufacturing procedure of Kevlar includes a process known as melt spinning, which essentially weaves the Kevlar fibers together at a microscopic level, further enhancing the material's strength. Thus, Kevlar's chemical bonds and fibers are very difficult to break down during an impact, and is actually considered to be 10 times stronger than steel. This is why Kevlar is commonly used in body armor and military vehicle parts, as many layers of Kevlar act to absorb and impact and disperse all kinetic energy from the incoming projectiles. So, as you can see, Kevlar, along with various other similar impact-resistant materials, have very unique properties that allow them to take a hit and also possibly save a life. Thank you very much.
Created using Powtoon.